Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope my all lovely friends will be fine and good. May Allah bless you, keep smiling, always be happy in your life. First of all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Dear friends, I am thanking you connecting with me and thanking for supporting me and thanking for watching my videos. Dear friends, today I am sharing this video, shell bun hairstyle ideas. Create a high ponytail, then twist the ponytail into a shell shape and scare it with bobby pin. Make a low ponytail and loosely twist it into a shell bun for a lax look. Add a braid to the ponytail before twisting it into a shell bun for an intricate touch. Create a texture and stylish messy shell bun for a more casual and effortless style. Divide your hair into two sections and create two smaller shell buns on each side for a playful and symmetrical look. Remember to use hair accessories like decorative pin or clips to enhance the style. Twist section of your ponytail before forming the shell bun to add a twisted texture to the style. Keep the shell bun low and at side sweep bang for a chic and elegant look. Incorporate shell flower or floral accessories into the shell bun for a romantic and whimsical hairstyle. Gather the top half of your hair into a shell bun while leaving the rest down for a stylish half up, half down look. Create a high ponytail and then form the shell bun at the top for a volume and eye-catching hairstyle. Experiment with this variation to find shell bun style and that suits your preference and options. After creating shell bun, wrap a small section of hair around the base to conceal the hair tie for polished finish. Integrate small braid or twist it into shell bun for a bohemian and laid-back vibe. Position the shell bun to the side and for an trendy look. Letting a few strands fall naturally. If you have curly hair, embrace your natural texture by forming the shell bun with your curls for a playful and volume appearance. Create two twisted shell buns on either side of your head for a cut and playful hairstyle. Feel free to customize this idea based on your personal style and hair type. Incorporate a French twist into your shell bun for a sophisticated and timeless look. And braid your ponytail into a fishtail before twisting it into a shell bun for an incorporate and texture style. Part your hair on the side before creating the shell bun for a modern and appearance. Achieve a vintage vibe by adding victory rules or pins curls on the front before styling and the rest into the shell bun. Create accessories smaller shell buns that cascade down the back of your head for an eye-catching and unique hairstyle. Experiment these variations to find the perfect shell bun style that complements your taste and the options. Integrate a twisted rope of hair around the shell for added texture and a stylish touch. Opt for a low position shell bun with toes and strand for a lax and export experiment. Braid two section of hair on either side of your head, then connect them into shell bun at the back of the regular and intricate look. Transport classic space buns into shell buns by shaping them into a shell bun pattern for a playful and whimsical hairstyle. Combine the trendy top knot with the elegance of a shell bun by position a high on your head for a modern and chic look. Feel free to mix and match elements from these ideas to create your own unique shell buns hairstyles. And transport classic space buns into shell buns by shaping them into a shell bun pattern. And so lovely friends, please visiting my YouTube channel. I hope you will enjoy these amazing ideas. Please viewers, do not forget subscribe my YouTube channel. After subscribe my YouTube channel, you will receive my new update related my channel. So viewers, please like my video and share with your family members and friends. And friends, take care. Allah Hafiz. See you soon.